Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your Rockstar Games Social Club account with Steam. This simple process allows you to enjoy a more integrated gaming experience, bringing your favorite Rockstar titles directly into your Steam library. You'll learn the straightforward steps to connect these platforms, ensuring seamless game launches and access to social features. We'll cover everything from initiating the link to verifying its success, making your gaming setup more efficient and enjoyable. Get ready to streamline your access to Grand Theft Auto, Red Dead Redemption, and more. Connecting your accounts is quite simple. First, launch any Rockstar Games title, like Grand Theft Auto 5, directly from your Steam library. The game will then prompt you to log into your Rockstar Games Social Club account. If you don't have one, you can create it right there. Once logged in, you'll see a clear option to authorize the link between your Steam and Social Club profiles. Just confirm this, and the initial connection is made. After completing the linking steps, it's important to confirm everything is working correctly. You can do this by visiting your Rockstar Games Social Club profile online. You should see your Steam account listed as a linked platform. Additionally, check your Steam profile to see if your Rockstar Games achievements are now visible. This verification ensures that your accounts are properly integrated, allowing for smooth game launches and access to all your content from one convenient place. Linking your Rockstar and Steam accounts offers several great benefits, including a unified game library and easier access to exclusive in-game content. If you encounter any issues, first double-check your login credentials for both platforms. Ensure you're using the correct accounts. Sometimes, simply restarting Steam or your computer can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, reviewing the account permissions on both platforms can often pinpoint the solution, ensuring a smooth gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.